Yo, England, England, but don't forget where you come from. This one, Windrush Generation, yeah? Wait. Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, This one a celebration of the Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Big up every West Indian, it's a Windrush Generation, There's a couple things there that we have to discuss. From our people first come here, they call it Windrush. Come, they working at the factory, a drive bus. Come, they working at the hospital as night nurse. Come, build up the country, look at how they treat us. But anything we do with pride and purpose. Left a pretty little island for this ice and frost. What a way the place to call the ball, Lord Jesus. Hey, Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. This one a celebration of the Windrush Generation. Hey, Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. With the major of Jamaican, it's a Windrush Generation. Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. Big up every West Indian, it's a Windrush Generation. Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. Best believe we are the children of the Windrush Generation. From in the days of aeration, long time our people traveling on migration. Still, we suffer hassle on the immigration. That we never come by yassa on the invitation. Face no faster, passer and discrimination. How much harassment and humiliation. But Jaja give me strength for any situation. So big up my four parents, special dedication. Sing it. Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. This one a celebration of the Windrush Generation. Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Antigua and Dominican, it's a Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Big up every West Indian, it's a Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation, Windrush Generation. And for eat fish and chips, but we have a leaper ackee as we national dish. If it ever go Grenada, see some hot spices. So big up all my people from the West Indies. No blacks, no dogs, no Irish. For the English gal love where I was so stylish. Come from the Caribbean, but I'm a pirate. Sister every day a cold and grey, and when I like it. Hey. Easy. People them. Ragazini Rebel, peace, love, Windrush, Windrush. Thank you for your time. Give thanks, my brother.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I want to welcome the final act.